Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl V Boogie, and I am here with a room transformation video. And yes, it is my room. So it took me so long to film this video just because life, summertime, law student, all of the vibes. So yeah, it took me a minute to finish this video. I still have clothes everywhere, to be honest with you, but moving back to your parents' house is not the most easy thing to do when you have so much crap in DC. So yeah, my apologies for the delay. However, I decorated my room. I redid it, I repainted it, I redid all of that. I moved stuff around. It was great. It's great. So without further ado, I don't want to talk too much, but yeah. Wait. Hold up. First of all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so I know that y'all like the content. Yeah, but for real, like, comment, and subscribe. You already know the vibes. And yeah, we're gonna get straight into the video. First, I'm gonna hit y'all with some before photos. Don't judge me. My room basically became like storage a little bit when I was gone. Mind you, this is my second year of law school, so I haven't really lived in this room for more than a couple weeks since 2015. So it is now 2020, and my room just became a daycare mixed with storage, mixed with my dad's clothes. So yeah, hence the craziness. And I hope you guys like the video. So stay tuned.
Thank you, DJ Noble.
First haul so far. I got frames. The first one right here is a corkboard actually, so I thought that was really cool. It's like a pin stuff on there and I could change it out, something else I would like to. One back here, I love this one because it has like a lot of the pinks and oranges and a little bit of yellow in the background, so I love the color that it brings in there. I love this one. It's white, a white little flower. I was gonna spray paint these frames. These frames are black. I really don't want to have too much black. I'm probably gonna spray paint both of these frames. I may leave that one the color that it is, just so I have something that's not like super gold. But definitely want to spray paint them with this metallic spray paint that I got from Rust-Oleum. I got all of this hardware stuff from Home Depot, and I went to my local thrift store for everything else. I think this is gonna be really pretty on a lot of these frames. And also got my roller for the paint job. And I thought this was really cool how Home Depot knows people like me who like DIY stuff need everything at once. I don't want to buy everything individually, so this is a 8-piece set I'm really excited to use. And then gotta have a little bit of foliage, and I literally saw this on my way out, so I'm really excited to put this in my room as well. Can't get out the bag, but I'll put some footage up of when I saw it in the store. Everything else, painter's tape, I'll show all that later, and a few more things from the thrift store that I got. But I'm really excited to see what this paint looks like on my walls. So I got a white color. This is gonna be the main walls of my room. It's called Fresh Popcorn. It's a little spot of it, how it looks, and I'm really excited to show you guys how it looks on my wall. And my accent wall is going to be a pink. Anybody who knows me is probably gonna be shocked and be like, what? You're putting pink on your walls? But I thought this pink was so pretty. Funny Face is the name of it, from Behr. And I'm really excited to put that on there. I'm gonna do an accent wall. I haven't totally decided on the design yet, but it's coming to me. So yeah, I'm really excited. First haul down.
Thank you, DJ Noble.
Okay, so if you've gotten to this point in the video and you're wondering why there is a horizontal line on my accent wall, it's because for one, I'm not good at measuring anything. So I didn't get the right amount of paint 3 times. I went to Home Depot. Sorry I supported them at this time. This is before the whole thing happened. We found out they supported Trump. Sorry. But yeah, I went to Home Depot at least 3 different times for paint. And for some reason, I just could not get the amounts correct. The first time I got a pint of pink paint. Why? Why did I think a pint was gonna paint a whole wall? Second time, I got more pink paint, I think, but then I didn't get enough white. I don't know. It was a lot. And again, the colors I used were Fresh Popcorn for the white and Funny Face for the pink. Yeah, just, word to the wise. Measure your room. My room is a bit larger than most bedrooms. So when I asked the guy how much I should use for a bedroom, he told me an amount, but my room is bigger than most bedrooms. So hence the line at the beginning. My mom was like, ew, that's ugly. My mom was like, ew, that's ugly, don't leave that line there. And I was just like, okay. Because I was going to paint the bottom half of the pink wall white because I ran out of pink paint. And she was like, I will personally paint the rest of the wall for you if you just don't leave it like that. Like, she did not like the line idea. Also, funny enough, the line was crooked. So either way, it would have looked crazy. But yeah, shout out to my mom for being smart about that, because I actually do like it better as the full wall being pink, but y'all gonna see it. Okay.
Thank you, DJ Noble.
Yeah, so as you can see, my room definitely needed some work. But I hope you like what I did with the place. I did my best to make this very, I don't even know what to call this vibe. I tried to figure that out as I was editing the video. I was like, what is the vibe of my room? I guess it's like a glam meets modern situation. I don't know. I got so many baskets in here. My mom really was judging me about that. I guess it's kind of boho with the leaf. I don't know. But yeah. Also, if you peeped, my candles are getting good use. So yeah, I should have waited until I filmed this video to light my candles, but I love candles, so I'm not sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my best to link the products that I use in the description box. There's so many things that I got for this room, or just so many things I already had as well. So if you don't see it there, definitely just leave a comment and be like, hey, where'd you get this from? Because a lot of this stuff I bought 3 months ago, so I also just may have forgotten. So my apologies about that. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you like my room. I feel great in it. I just feel so much better. I feel like an adult now. So if you've been thinking about redoing your room, do it. This is your sign. This is me coming to you saying, go redecorate your room or your home office or whatever it is that is keeping you from being the best you. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Watch it again. Watch it 6 more times. Watch for the other videos I've made. Okay? And I can't wait to see you again on the next video. Bye.